Hi guys, welcome to Fearless Cooking. I'm Monika Czerveniak. Today we're going to do scallops, a very quick dish. If you're new to my channel and you're enjoying my video, please don't forget to subscribe. That would really help us move forward and share our knowledge with the rest of the planet. Anyway, we're doing scallops right now. And what you need is a very hot pan. If you're using a stainless steel pan, I usually make my pan very hot with oil, and then I really want to make sure that nothing sticks on it. Then I'm putting a few slices of green onions in there, and take that out and your pan will be absolutely perfect. So anyway, we're going to start this off now, making sure our pan is hot. Here we have our scallops. Now scallops is a seafood, and these are basically the mussels in a shell that opens and closes the door. This is what we're going to eat. What I did here is, first of all, I put these mussels in ice cold water with ice for a few minutes. Then I put them on the tray and I'm dry them out and make sure they're dry. It's rather important. Now the next thing we're doing is we're going to put salt on it. That is also an important part. My pan is pretty hot. This only takes about a couple of minutes, not even. These are rather small scallops. They're beautiful. So what I'm going to do, it has to sizzle. If you're putting the scallops in, making sure it sizzles. Now let's listen to this. Yeah, that's what we want. That's what I totally want. Now I'm going to put the mussels in, and so that I know which ones I put in first, I'm going to go around the clock here. At this point, do not touch your scallops. Leave it. They gotta be nice and brown. It takes about a minute or maybe a minute and a half on each side. You can make eye contact, but don't touch it. That's the most important thing. Well, you can see how it starts to get brown already a little bit. And just to show you, I'm allowed to do this, but I want this a little bit more brown. Just a tiny little bit. Once I turn it over, I will start making my sauce. And our sauce today is going to be capers, lemon, white wine, and a little bit of butter and garlic. And that's it. That's basically all we're using for our sauce. So, come back. So, I'm going to turn this over. Your scallop needs to be opaque in the middle once we're finish cooking it. So, now I'm also going to put a little bit of salt on the sauce here. Also going to put a little bit of pepper in here. And a little dash of butter. Now I'm going to put my capers in. And lemon juice, rather important for a good seafood. And now we're just putting a little bit of wine in here. That's just about it. Now you can serve the scallops, of course, in a sauce with mushroom cream sauce and make scallops and shacks out of it. But this is a really lovely, beautiful, very delicious appetizer, which you really, really will enjoy. One more thing I want to throw on, and that is a little bit of garlic. Alright, we got our caper sauce here. It really has a delicious aroma, capers and flavors. And a little bit of love on top. Scallops in a lemon, white wine, caper sauce. Incredibly good for you, scallops. They're great for high cholesterol, and also if you're moody. If you're in a bad mood, have some scallops, and hey, you'll be in a much better mood. If you enjoyed this video, come back next time. Remember to be a fearless cook in your kitchen.